And this is our refectorio where we all come to eat together. We have lunch here. And then, you know, maybe if we all have a party together, we'll have here. Over here is where we make the bread. And today, Joselita and Adriano are making the bread. I've asked if I can learn. Again, it's not something typically that the female missionaries do, but we'll see. Maybe someday I'll get to learn. And Joselita does not want to be on film. Oh yeah, Adriano. And I think, pretty sure some other ladies are cooking in here. Got the nice suave Brazilian music going. Oi, Gigi! Oi, Gigi! Tudo bem? Tudo? Oi! Dona Lorena and Tata are cooking lunch for all of us. Oi, Tata!